To set up Gemini AI on the Samsung Galaxy A57, you have to open Google application for the first. Now click on your Google account in the right upper corner, and you have to go for settings. Now, when you are here, you will have to go into the Gemini. And first of all, we have to simply turn it on, just like this. Scroll to use Gemini, click on this button. Now it's turned on, but of course we can customize it by clicking here and going for settings. We can enable a lot of things. First of all,
I'm ready to be your voice.
We can change the voice of the Gemini. You can select by clicking here. You can also get interruptions like responses. So when Gemini is responding to you, you can just interrupt and say whatever you want, and he's gonna stop talking. You can also change language. For Gemini, you can add another language, for example, and you can even use Gemini hands-free. So we have to actually select the Hey Google. And now when you click to turn on, you will have to repeat the phrases that will be shown on the screen. Like this one, for example, you have to repeat them 4 times. And after that, that will be available. And here we can also find the screen context. So we can actually allow or don't allow to analyze everything that is on our screen. And here we can also find some other things like Gemini on the lock screen. So if you want to basically make calls and send messages without unlocking your phone, it's highly recommended to do that. And that's basically everything.